decided to take 2 AP classes last year, AP Language and AP US History. 2 of the hardest AP classes you could, just to prove to everyone like, hey, I can do this. I know I'm not as smart as everyone else, but like, I can still do this. And so I took both the exams at the end of the year, and I was like, all I gotta do is pass. I just gotta pass. Good on us. That means I learned something, we passed, and then I passed. I got 3s. That was like awesome, cool, I passed. We're gonna go pass and go, have a little fun. We'll see what happens, and we'll just go. And here I am. I'm a senior in high school this year. I plan to go to college afterwards. I want to major in electrical engineering and minor in mechanical engineering, mainly because I want to join the Army and fly Apaches like my dad, but they don't want me going in, so I said, if I can't fly them, then I'll build them for you to fly. So I was like, I need to be an engineer to do that. I'm gonna go to school for that. I have a car. It's a Toyota Tacoma. It's a 2004. It's got like 300,000 miles on it, but college is coming, so I mean, I need a reliable car where I can drive hundreds of miles and just make sure I'm there on time, make sure I'm able to get to these places without breaking down. Don't pressure yourself with classes, but try and take the harder classes you want to, even if you don't think you can do it, because I promise you, you can do it. You just gotta put the time and effort into it, and you'll get whatever you set yourself to get out of it. Yeah, it might be a car.